Hello people again. Well, I am here in this case, as I showed you the last time we showed the controller how to disassemble the control of the Nvidia Shield. Now we are going to disassemble this version of the Nvidia Shield, right? And the first step to do is to remove these two screws here, right? They are very small. I don't remember which number of the screw is. Let me check. It's you can use a Phillips PH 000 PH 000. I have these small ones. I don't have a Phillips, so I use this and couldn't take out the screw. This is too small right here. Can you see? Right. And when you take this out, it's very simple. You take these two out and you must push. How I can explain it to you? This case is all one case, right? So you must push to the front. I will put my finger here and I will put the cover, this part, to this side, right? And this part to the left side. So when I make this effort, it's very complicated. I am going to push this part to the front and this part to the back, right? See, there, I can't open it. Well, don't worry, it will be a lot of dust. And be careful because some version of the Nvidia Shield, when you take out the cover, I will take out, some versions has a small cable attached to the main board, right? For the LED, for the front LED, sorry, for the front LED. In this case, my version don't have that, right? The LEDs are already on the board, right? Okay, so here we are with a lot of dust to clean because I have this version since 2 years ago right now. So, and when you are playing some 4K videos, it's not loud, of course, the fan, but you need to be cleaned Nvidia Shield. First of all, we are going to take this out, this small connector, very carefully. And I'm going to use let's see, a torque number 7. No, we are going to use a torque number 5, right? So I'm going to screw all these. I'm going to accelerate fast forward the video. Right. Try not to mix the screw, right? Try to, if I take this out, it's from here, this is from here. It's a good advice as a technician. I'm going to pick this up right now. This wonderful machine for movie and videos, games lovers. And this is all the magic happened here, right? Okay, I am going to left this here, and this is an important thing to clean all this. I'm going to take out all the screw, and this part, take this out, this part, You will need to put come on, take out. There you are. Oh, this is very, very dirty. And I was thinking, did I have to take this out or leave it there? Let's check. We take this out. These are from the fan. What did I do? Be careful, be careful. It had small rubber when you take it out, so be careful not to lose this. And let's take out the fan. Really, really dirty. But there it is. We take all this out and we are going to clean it. So stay for the last part. Okay, here we're back. We just cleaned the board. It was too much dirty. We cleaned the fan, the cooler, right? And now we are going to assemble everything again. Be careful with these black things because it's dense here, right? So to help you where it goes, you must watch this hole from the border, and I'll place it there because that is going to be the here the hinsick there, just right there. It's a bit tricky. Okay, now here is the main board. As you can see, well, first of all, we put the fan very fast there. As always, when you screw the drive, press hard but not so hard, right? Because it could be broken because it's all plastic, right? Okay, so this is really clean. I think I okay, right? Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to put some thermal paste there in the main chip. Just a little, because with the pressure it's going to expand, right? Just this bit, no, nothing more. Okay. So now we turn this and we put it here. Let's see. My hands are shaking right there. Everything is good. Everything is good. Good. Okay. Look, I discovered that the internal memory is a SanDisk. Okay, so we screw everything. We check if the ports are okay. I think yes. Let's check with the small pen drive or thumbnail. Yeah, it's okay. No problem. No problem here. No problem here. Okay. Engineering. And now we put very carefully the fan connector here. Yeah. Okay. So now we put the copper, just like a cassette, right? Something like this. right? From here, there, and ba-bam, ready to roll again. So we finished. We put the last 2 screwdrivers really fast. There. Okay. Can we test it? Okay, let's test it. Yeah, it's turned off really, really good. So we cleaned the Nvidia Shield 2017 version, very dirty as you can see. I hope that you can understand what I say. As I said, my English is not so fluently, but I do my best to help because, as I always say, in internet, there's a lot of good people that help you. Well, this is my time to help somebody. Okay, thank you to watch. See you in another video from Webleo TV. Bye!